welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create sales report in HubSpot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to create sales report in HubSpot, all you got to do is simply go to HubSpot. So once you're in your HubSpot, to create sales report in it, you need to use the Sales Analytics suite for quick insights, or the custom report builder for deeper dives on multiple objects that deals, contacts, and activities are mentioned in it. So finding them on the reporting section, you can simply find and go to reports, select a pre-built template or start custom, adding properties and filters like date ranges or owners, customizing visualization, and saving to a dashboard for easy access. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to simply create sales report in your HubSpot that will help your team grow, and you can know so much details about your clients and stuff as well. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.